Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Brandon with Taylor's Fire and Smoke Cooking. Welcome back into my kitchen. Today, we're going to be doing some smoked catfish nuggets. Now, typically, I do not like buying catfish nuggets store bought. I like making them myself out of fresh fillets, but I happen to find this case of catfish nuggets on sale, and I just like decided I'm gonna go ahead and get them. I generally don't like buying catfish nuggets store bought because they make the catfish nuggets from the belly meat, and that meat typically has more of a muddy flavor to it as opposed to like a catfish fillet, which has a nice clean flavor, in my opinion. But I did buy them, so a good way of kind of eliminating that flavor or subduing that flavor is by smoking them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to season them up and let the seasoning marinate on my catfish nuggets for a couple hours. Then we're going to go ahead and throw them on a smoker and smoke them up till they get a little. I like my smoked catfish a little on the drier side, just because catfish sometimes can tend to be a little mushy. But if you smoke it a little bit longer and dry it out a little bit, it has the texture that I'm looking for. So we're going to go ahead and season it up, let it marinate, and then we're going to smoke it off. And I'll let you see what we're working with in the end. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. So here's our nuggets here. I've got them all washed and cleaned up. Now, I do have a little silver skin still left on some of them. With smoking them, it's not going to affect the none at all. Typically, I like to try to get as much of that, or I'll take a knife and scrape as much of that off as I can. But I'm not going to worry about it as much today. You can see we've got a lot of it off of this one, but I didn't really want to get super meticulous because I just want to take up a whole lot of time doing that. But what I am going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add a little mustard to our fish and a little olive oil. The olive oil is going to help with the fish not sticking. And then the mustard is kind of going to act as a binder and again, helping to alleviate some of that muddy flavor that you sometimes get from catfish, or especially catfish nuggets. Alrighty. So we've got our oil and mustard in. I'm just going to keep it fairly simple. We're going to season it with some Chesapeake Bay style seasoning, which is similar to Old Bay. I have some garlic lemon pepper that we're going to use, and then I'll just have some regular black pepper. So we're just going to go fairly liberally with our Chesapeake Bay seasoning. Or if you don't have this, you can use Old Bay or even Creole seasoning if you want. Then we're going to go in with our garlic lemon pepper. This is a really herbaceous type of lemon pepper. As you can see here, it's not like your typical yellow lemon pepper that just has the dry lemon and the pepper. This has a lot more herbs and stuff to it. And then we're going to go with our coarse black pepper. All right, once you get it seasoned, all we're going to do now is just mix it all up and get it all incorporated. Again, we're going to let this seasoning set up for a couple hours on this fish. I really want our seasonings and stuff to penetrate our fish. Now, if this was a good fresh catfish fillet, I wouldn't worry about doing this. But being that it's these nuggets, I want to have this seasoning really set up in here and kind of combat some of that flavor that you typically have sometimes with these style of nuggets. So you've got it seasoned. I'm going to go ahead and cover it and throw it in the fridge for a few hours. And then when it's time to throw it on the smoker, I'll bring you guys back and we'll let you see what we have going on. You guys stay tuned. See you in a minute. All right, guys, so you can see we've allowed our fish to marinate for about 2.5 hours. I've already got my smoker coming up to temp. I'm just going to use my little A-Smoke portable pellet grill, and we're going to throw these fillets on, or these nuggets on, and smoke them up. See you guys back. So we've got our fish on our little smoker here, and I got my smoker set to 225. I'm going to bump it up to 250, and we're just going to let it go until it reaches the temperature or the desired tenderness that I'm looking for. So see you guys back in a little bit, guys. Here's a look at our fish after about 30 minutes. It's picking up some good color. It smells really good, so we're just going to continue to let it go. You can see how it has this nice sheen on it, so it's not dry or anything of that nature. All right, keep on letting it rock. All right, guys, so here's our finished product. We had a total cook time of about 50 minutes. Took it off and let it rest. Go ahead and break open a piece of this fish so you can see what we have going on here. Smells amazing, and you can see here that the fish is still nice and moist on the inside. Like I said, I do like to cook it a little drier than typical, And that's just my preference, but you can kind of smoke it however you want to. It's really done in about 30 minutes, but that extra 20 minutes got it to where I wanted it to be. So this is our meal for today. I say smoking it takes away some of that fishy flavor, and it's going to leave you with a really nice tasting fish. So if you guys ever come across nuggets or anything like that, this is a great way to prepare them. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till the next time, God bless.